Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how to change the location on Monkey app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is get a VPN. So we can go to Google Play Store or App Store and then type in free VPN. And now you can use any one, even if you've got a VPN already on your phone, just use that. So I'm just going to go ahead and choose, I reckon this one looks alright here, free VPN, 50 million downloads. So I'm going to download and install this. Now once this download installs, I'm going to go ahead and activate it. Now depending where you want to change your location to, these free VPNs only have certain locations you can choose, so I'll show you here. Alright, so I'm using this free VPN, fast server. I can connect and it's going to connect me to a random country. So I'll give that a few moments. So I think, I'm not sure what this flag is. Yeah, so basically you can connect to any server here. So we can go to Hong Kong, Japan, Singapore, these are all free. So yeah, just go ahead and click onto that and then go back to your Monkey app and then refresh or get out of your app, and then now it's going to change your location to whatever VPN location you have chosen.